Hello guys, welcome to my channel Snap Tech Dev, and I'm your host Simba, and today I'm going to show you how to create a free hosted WordPress website. So step 1, click the link in the description. Step 1, click the link in the description. It will take you to this page, and click this button and this button. And there you go, ladies and gentlemen. You have a free online WordPress website. This is the link to the website, and you can just click copy and paste your website name, URL, username, and password on a safe place. As you can see, it's done. This is the WordPress dashboard. As you can see, free. So you have 2 days. So I would recommend you register first, confirm your email, and then create the password. If you create the website, you have 6 days. And as you can see, this is our load page, and this is how you create a free WordPress website in under 1 minute, guys. Thank you. Make sure to subscribe.